If you don't advertise your business to grow your business fast, people cannot get awareness of your company easily. That way your company will not grow. Therefore, it is important to advertise the company online. But if you order for making an advertising video on Fiverr, it will be very expensive because all good freelancers on Fiverr make animation video very expensive. But now no need to worry about advertising animation video for your business. I can make an animation video in reasonable price for your business to grow fast. I am an expert of making animation videos. I make animation videos from professional softwares like Adobe After Effects, videoScribe, Adobe Premiere, etc. I am an expert of representation. If need be, I can describe the glory of the lamp as equal to the sun. I am able to describe your small business as a huge business from my advertising animation video. I write very attractive script of my video, which impresses the viewers a lot. My video depending on attractive script, beautiful animated pictures, audio editing, clear voiceover. Don't waste time, and order now. Presented by Spicy Animation, Imaginate to Animate.